Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to delete page on Freepik Designer. So I create many pages here. You can see I group 11 page, but if you want to delete a specific page, then how can you do? You have to go this page first. So you can see if you select this one and if you click delete, then this page deleted. But if you have the more page, then how can you delete that page? So you can see uh, you have to click here. You can see this is called a row arrow. Click here and you have to choose, like I'm going to click page 3. So you can page 3. If I delete this, then page 3 will be deleted. Or if it's page 2, if I click delete, or you delete it, or you can also delete otherwise. You can see 3 dot, click here and you can see the delete, click delete, and it will be deleted. So this way you can delete the page on Freepik Designer. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.